Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be planting my seedlings that I have been growing inside. I was always told that it's best to plant your seedlings after Mother's Day, so it's officially after Mother's Day. So that's what I am going to do today, and I'll share with you what I have growing so far. So I am planting some rousing zucchini. This right here is a green, mustard green. This is tatsoi. This one here is tatsoi. It's an Asian leafy green that does well when it gets chilly also. This is a black beauty eggplant. This in front is a rainbow Swiss char. This is black magic kale. That is a sugar magnolia pea. This is red callaloo, which did really well for me last summer. This is a red atomic carrot, which I'm really curious to try. I hope it grows. That is a lettuce. This is a spinach giant winter. And this is kohlrabi, which I've never grown before. So these are all the seedlings that I'm going to plant. And this is my chamomile that did really well. It grew over the winter. I planted this like in the fall and it sprouted for me this spring. This is my other pot of chamomile. Finally getting to use my cute garden set that I got for Christmas. So the round zucchini is planted. I'm sure I'm gonna have to repot this as it grows into the ground, but it's a good start. And then I have my sugar snap pea, and I'm not sure what this is back here, but I planted it in the fall. I'm not sure what it is, so I don't want to pull it up in case it is something, but I'll pull it if I figure out it's a weed. I left the chives alone. The chives are still here. This is the spinach that I planted, the tatsoi. I think this is lavender. This is from fall, I'm not sure, or rosemary, but I left it. And this is black magic kale. This is rainbow Swiss char. This is lettuce. I left this as well. This is thyme, so I left that. The black beauty the black beauty eggplant. That's another black beauty eggplant. This is the red callaloo, and I'm going to add more soil as things grow. Mustard greens, which I'm sure I may have to replant as it gets bigger. My carrots, and the kohlrabi, which I believe is a fall vegetable, but I'm going to see how it goes with it. It did sprout for me, so I'm going to give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. As usual, I will keep you updated on how things are going in the garden. I appreciate you watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.